Hi, this is Manuel, Delta Lima 2 Mike Alpha November. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a very cool spontaneous event with you that was a combination of emergency exercise, emergency radio exercise and World Flora Fauna activation. Tom, Delta Juliet 5 Romeo Echo, texted me and said he was going to check out a new location and asked if I would like to come with him. And I said, yeah, should I bring radio? He said, yeah, how fast can you come? And I said, well, I'm ready. So I grabbed my box, we went over there. Half an hour later we met there, set up the antenna and activated two new references. One new reference never activated before of World Castle Award, and another one, I think it was never activated before, World Flora and Fauna. Yeah, let's have a look at it.
Fauna, secure flora and fauna. This is DJ5 Radio Echo Portable. DJ5 Radio Echo Portable from DL Fox 094. DK6 November Juliet, Helmut, ich grüße dich. Du bist hier 5 und 9, DL Fox 0946 und Schloss Leidersdorf DL 05338.
Ah ja, okay, ne? Bin ich jetzt vorbeigefahren. Oh, okay, top 57.
We are doing activation of World Castle Award and Delta Lima Fox Flora Fauna. The World Castle Award is this Wasserschloss an der Vils behind me, and the reference Flora and Fauna is the Naturschutzgebiet Vilstal, and we are here using the Uniform 01 antenna, and because these are both two new references never activated before, we have an ongoing PileUp now, already 40 QSOs and still PileUp in SSB on 40 meter. Not even CW, not even tried other bands. Let's have a look what's going on here.
We are running QRP, so it's absolutely important that you listen. Not only calling, also listen, because we are running QRP. I was calling Sierra Quebec 9, Foxtrot Mike Charlie, you are 59.
Okay, good afternoon, thank you for answering. Sierra Quebec 9, Foxtrot Mike Charlie, 55, really. Thank you, have a nice weekend, good luck.
Dzień dobry, bye bye. DJ5RE Portable, QSOs. The station Castle to Castle, Castle to Castle. Make your call, please. The station Castle to Castle, Castle to Castle. You are welcome.
Ja, Delta Lima 7 Foxtrot Echo, Delta Lima 7 Foxtrot Echo, Delta Lima 04902, Delta Lima 04902,
Roger. Delta Lima 7 Foxtrot Echo, freut mich ganz besonders. Für dich 5 und 9 aus Delta Lima Fox 0946, das ist ein neues. Und die Castle-Nummer wäre Delta Lima 05338, das Wasserschloss hier an der Vils. Roger?
November, der Report ist 5 und 7, der Report. Bedanke mich für die Verbindung. 73, 44 und die 11 und noch viel Spaß im PileUp.
Ja, gleiches zurück. 73, alles Gute. Okay, Victor Echo India, ahoy, for you 59. Yet. Okay, thank you, Takahoy. DJ5 Radio Echo Portable QSOs. Sierra Mike 5 again. Okay, I have some QRM at the present. I have some QRM. This only lasts for a few seconds. So I have some difficulties at present. Sierra Mike 5, please, your suffix again.
Sugar Mike 5 Charlie Bravo November. Sugar Mike 5 Charlie Bravo November.
SM5 Charlie Bravo November. The QRM is gone. Excellent. You're 59. 44 as well. QSOs. DJ5RE Portable QSOs.
Oh, that is a shack, huh?
Krass laut. Okay, it's gone. QSOs again? Delta Lima 6 Kilo Romeo, DL 6 Kilo Radio 5 und 9. Danke fürs Warten, 73, Delta Juliet 5 Radio Echo Portable. Okay, there's a lot of QRM on the frequency coming back and swiping out again. So we will QSY on CW. We will QSY on CW in hope for better results. QSY CW 73.
Den haben wir doch gerade schon. Boy, that was one hell of an activation. It had everything. At the end there was a thunderstorm coming. We saw the black clouds coming. We could see the lightnings on the radio. We could hear them. Could see them in the display with modern transceivers possible now. So we decided, hey, let's be reasonable. Let's pack our stuff up and go to the cars. And while we were packing our stuff together, it started raining cats and dogs. It was crazy. So I had really trouble to keep the stuff dry. I had an emergency poncho which I put over the equipment, so we were soaking wet after that. Nevertheless, it was a fun activation, and I think we had 90 QSOs in 1 hour and 10 minutes. Really, I need to shout out to Tom. He's a great operator, not only in CW, also in SSB. His performance today was quite impressive. He could pick out from the PileUp stations that I couldn't hear a single letter, while he picked out every time a station or two. And that is how it's being done. So guys, I want to say to you, I want to get the message to you. If you don't have the possibility to make radio at home, just get your portable setup together. Enjoy nature together with friends, do some radio. That's great fun. I hope we could transport that today, how fun it was still, sorry. See you next time, 73. Good luck. Bye-bye.